Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing my update on my sample project pan. Now, I thought I was going to do just a teeny bit better than what I ended up doing this month, but I still made a lot of progress and we're still going to be bringing in some new things, so it's still exciting to share with you guys. We're going to start with the products that I am still working on. So there are two products that I didn't quite finish, but I'll kind of show you a little bit of where I'm at. The Urban Decay Primer Potion in Sin. And I actually kept it in this little thing because it was actually easier to squish out a little bit at a time. And I've squished like all of the bottom of this all the way up until this little notch up here. And I'll go in and show you a little bit closer. But yeah, I think I probably have maybe a week left worth of uses for this sample, and then it'll be gone. So I'm thinking that this will definitely be gone by next update, but it didn't quite make it for this update. A little bit bummed about that, but also not, because I've really been enjoying this, and I might be a little bit sad when it goes, to be honest. Really like this. I've been using it for just an eyeshadow in general. Like, I'll put this on and then put on mascara and then be done. It just is a very quick and easy eye look for me when I'm in a rush. So I did actually still manage to use this a lot of times so this month, and it just wasn't enough to finish it up. I used it 22 times, which I feel like is pretty good. I feel like I use this quite a bit and more than I normally would use an eye product. So that's still really good progress. And then the other one that I'm still using is the eye cream. So I kind of had a feeling I wasn't going to be able to go through this all the way this month. I don't even know if this will be done next month. Like, I know I've said it in a couple of previous videos, but eye cream does take me a very long time to go through, and this little sample is no exception to that. So this is the Ahava Extreme Minerals Time to Revitalize Extreme Firming Eye Cream. And I actually depotted it into this little jar here because it was a lot harder to get out each time in that foil packet. So I'll show you what I have left currently in here. I used it a total of 18 times. So for some reason I didn't use it that much. I think I only used it like 9 days because morning and night. So divide that in half. But I was having some eye issues and I didn't really want to put anything near my eyes, including an eye cream. I didn't know what caused it. I didn't know if it was this, I didn't know if it was something else, and I didn't want to make it worse. So there was at least a week worth that I didn't use anything near my eyes. And I think I actually used up another eye cream, like one that I had been working on it for a very long time, and then once that one was done, then I moved on to this one. So that's why this one doesn't have as much progress. I'm thinking that this coming month I'll be focusing just on this, so it'll go, I hope, a lot quicker. So we'll see. Okay, now on to the exciting part of the products that I have completely finished and used up this past month. We did use up this makeup product. This was the Tarte Tartist lip paint, and the one that I was trying to go through is in the shade Goals, and this is actually their glossy lip paint, so the lip gloss version, and it was a lot more comfortable formula, I feel like, for me on the lips. I'm a little bummed to have it go because it was a really pretty color and I really enjoyed wearing it. I actually only was able to use this 3 additional times after the last update. That's how much was left. There was not much left at all, but I was able to use it up pretty quickly after filming that video. Now moving into skincare samples that I used up. I used up this cleanser here from Indie Lee, and this is their brightening cleanser, and I did like it. This was nice and I did enjoy using it. I actually got 5 uses out of this, which I feel like is pretty good considering the size of this little foil packet sample. I thought it was going to be less than that, so I feel like it gave me a good amount of uses to really form an opinion on it. If this is something that I ever saw like maybe go on sale and I needed cleanser, which right now I don't, I would consider picking this up. Next skincare product that I used up from this project is from Fresh, Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. And this was pretty good. I did like it. As far as the formula goes, I feel like it was very moisturizing, but it had like a rose smell. Obviously it's rose in the title, and I didn't love that, so I probably wouldn't purchase it again, but if I received like another little sample or something, I would definitely use it up. The only thing is I got very few uses out of this. So I only got to use it 3 times, which kind of would have been nice to get a little bit more use out of this. But again, this is a pretty small sample. It is a foil packet sample. So I do have to keep that in mind with these kind of samples. I'm not going to get as many uses out of them as I would like a deluxe size sample. Next was my body care sample, and I had chose a fragrance, and this is from Clinique, and this is their Be Happy Cookies and Kisses. And I used this up completely, and it did take me pretty much all month to use this up. It took me 28 times of using it. If you want to see more of my thoughts and in-depth thoughts on some of these products, go check out my empties video. I think I did it last week or something. I go into a lot more detail of whether I would repurchase something or not, my thoughts on it, but this video I'm just kind of trying to go through it a little bit more quickly and just share with you my progress. Last sample that I ended up using up this month, and that is a hair product sample, and this was from Sebastian. This is their Potion 9 was this wearable styling treatment. I didn't notice anything great from it. I got 5 uses out of it, which again was pretty good, especially for hair products. I do use a little bit more of it each time I use it. So it was nice to be able to try out, and I actually had like a deluxe size sample that I was able to declutter based on trying out this sample, so I didn't waste that product, which is really kind of nice. I appreciated that. I just had to use like a smaller size, and I was able to pass the other one on. Okay, now for another fun part, and that is what I will be introducing this month to try out from my samples. So we're gonna start with makeup, and I have another lip product little foil packet thing to try out. I have a couple of these, and I'm trying to work through them because otherwise I ignore them completely. So I'm going to be bringing this one in. This is by Kat Von D, and this is their Studded Kiss Cream Lipsticks, and there are 3 colors here. So we have Outlaw, which is a red. We have Lolita, which is kind of a dark mauve. And then we have Vampira, which is like a deep kind of magenta. And just like the other lip product sample that I had, I'm actually just going to be focusing on one color and then calling it done and finished once I use up that color. And that color is going to be Lolita because I feel like it's the most wearable. I am still going to try out the other 2 shades, and if I end up wanting to wear them multiple times, then I will. But the one that I'm mainly trying to set as my goal is going to be Lolita. All right, so I used up 2 of my skincare samples, which means that I can introduce 2 more. So we have another cleanser. I have quite a few little foil packet cleanser samples, I realize, so I'm going to try and work through these. This is from Peach and Lily, and this is their Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. So I'm excited to be trying this out, especially since it's hydrating. And my next skincare sample I'm going to be trying out is actually from a different type of category in my skincare collection, and that is kind of my anti-aging products. I've had this for a very long time. I'm a little nervous that it's expired, but I'm going to try it. This is the new Clinical Expression Line Filler. We're just gonna give it a try. Ooh, I mean, I have it, I might as well use it, so we'll see. I'm a little like apprehensive of this one, but I guess that's what kind of makes it fun as well. Hopefully it just doesn't break me out. That's the only thing. I don't want it to do that. So we will see. I'll give you my thoughts on it next update. I think this will be empty by then. I'm thinking. This and the cleanser, I'm thinking I'll be able to go through. I am introducing another fragrance, and this one is from Giorgio Armani. Not sure if I'm saying that right. I've said this like 5 times already and can't seem to get it out correctly. But this is their Acqua di Gioia fragrance, and this, I guess this is their blue one. I don't know, it has like a blue color to it, and I have another one that has a yellow color to it, so I think I'm gonna like this one. I'm kind of looking forward to this. It doesn't have any fragrance notes on it, but it smells pretty fresh is how I would describe this. Okay, last product we're going to talk about. This is going to be my hair care sample that I'm introducing for this month, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish this month. We will see, because this is actually a pretty good size, you know, compared to my head, sample. And this is from AG Haircare, and this is their Nourish Mask. Has Snow Mushroom Deep Conditioning. I'm actually looking forward to using this. I have used other AG hair care products in the past and really enjoyed them, so I am looking forward to this one. All right, so that is everything. Those are all of my samples, the ones that I used up completely, some new ones I'm bringing in, and also the ones that I am still working on. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you are doing a project pan, let me know down below. How are you doing? If you haven't done this already, maybe give it a try if you have some samples in your collection. I think it's pretty fun and it'll get you to kind of use them up. And I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I hope you all have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day. Bye.